Assalamu alaikum guys. As you know, staircase is a part of building, domestic building or commercial building, etc. So therefore, everybody want to construct good stairs in house. So what are the requirements to construct good stairs? So therefore, watch this video till the end to learn something new related requirements for good staircase construction. This video is especially for architectural designer, civil engineering student, or if you want to construct your building, house, and you are not engineer. So you should have knowledge what are the requirements for good staircase construction. So let's get started. Guys, we will discuss 5 tips to design good staircase. Okay. The first one is location. The second one is length of flight. Third one is pitch of stairs or angle of stairs. The fourth one is landing, and the fifth one is step proportion. But this is not enough. Let me discuss it in detail. So therefore, watch this video till the end to learn deeply about staircase construction. Good staircase. Okay. The first one is location. Remember guys, the staircase should be located in order to obtain proper ventilation and lighting. Okay. And also it is easy, the stair should be easy to access for all rooms. So this is the requirements in location. Okay. Remember that the stairs should be located in order to obtain sufficient lighting and ventilation. And the other, and easy to access for all rooms in house. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so the stair should be located to obtain sufficient lighting, ventilation, also, and easy to access from all rooms. So this is the first requirement for good staircase construction. Okay, the first one is location. Now the second is length of flight. Okay, what is the length of flight? Guys, you can see here, for example, this is the wall and I have to construct the stairs to the height of 11 feet. So here this is called one flight, this. So when we provide the landing, so from the ground to the landing, this is one flight. After that landing, when we get more steps or riser and steps or trades, this is called second flight. Okay. So the length of flight means this length of flight from here to here, for example, are here. So this is one flight, this one. Okay. So no less than 3 risers and no more 16 risers. Okay, this is very important. So the flight should have minimum 3 risers like this. Let me show you in detail. So one riser, second riser, and third riser. So after that you are able to provide landing, but it should not be less than 3 risers. This is the point. No less than 3 risers and no more than 16 risers. More than 16 risers. So if we have more than 16 risers, so that is not good stairs. 16 riser. So it should be less than 16 riser or more than 3 risers. Okay, so this is the second requirement of good stair construction. So length of flight means this. Okay, the third one is, guys, very important, that is pitch of stairs or angle of stairs. So guys, you can see here, these are staircase which I made a graph already. So guys, here you can see, let me make its west. Okay, so guys, this is called pitch of stair, this angle or angle of stair. So this angle of stair should be between 25 to 40 degree. Okay, so if the height is maximum, so there you should provide the other landing. So therefore the angle should be decreased in the case of maximum height. So the best staircase angle should be between 25 to 40 degree. But for normal domestic building, okay, or for commercial building, try to use 25 to 35, from 25 to 35 degree when you make the angle of stair. So that is best or good quality of stairs. Okay, so this is the other requirement. So the angle should be between 25 to 40 degree. Okay, this is the good quality of stair construction. Okay, the fourth one is, guys, landing. So what is landing? So here we are providing landing, this one, like this. Okay guys, so this is called landing, this one. Remember guys, for example, if the width of stair is 1 meter, for example, or 3 feet, or 3.5 or 4 feet, anything. Okay, so this is width of flight. Okay, so the landing width should not be less than this width of landing, should not be less than the width of stairs, width of flight. So it should be also 1 meter, not less than this. Means width of landing should not be less than width of flight. Width of flight or width of stairs, this one. For example, if this is 1.5 meter, so it should not be less than 1.5 meter. So the landing width should be equal. Okay, maximum no problem, but it should not be less than its width. Okay, this is the other point. The last requirement for good stair construction is step proportion. Means you can see, guys, here the tread. So the riser and tread, guys, you can see the riser. For example, if the riser is 6 inches, so all the riser should be 6 inches. The other should not be more than 6 inches or less than 6 inches. So this is the good stair requirement. Okay, so step proportion means if the tread is 11 inches, so this all should be 11 inches. So if there is the length problem, so the first step should be maximum then. For example, if you have the one step 13 inches, so the first step should be 13 inches and the other should be 11 inches. But the last one are at the mid, we are not able to provide 11 inches or 10 inches or 9 inches. So all the tread width should be same. Okay, and also its riser, it should not be more than 6 inches or less than 6 inches. If the first step is, for example, 4 inches or 5 inches, so it's depend on the total length or the total height. So therefore it should be equal in the riser and also at the tread. So this is step proportion which I have discussed the front of you. Hopefully guys, this video can help you if you want to design good staircase for your house. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.